Dub sound is produced during the closure of, correct answer will be A, semilunar valves. In a normal person, two sounds are produced per heartbeat. First sound, this sound is due to the closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valves. This shows the contraction phase. The first sound is lub. It is weak sound and for longer duration. Second sound, this sound is due to closure of semilunar valves. This shows relaxation phase in the ventricle, so it is a diastolic sound. The second sound is dub. It is louder, sharper and